Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel MotoSpectrum. Today we're diving into something that isn't just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece on wheels. Forget everything you thought you knew about RVs or campers. This is no ordinary motorhome. This is a futuristic luxury motorhome based on a Kenworth truck, and it's one of the most outrageous, extravagant, and jaw-dropping custom builds you'll ever lay eyes on. Buckle up, because over the next few minutes, we're going to explore every inch of this million-dollar beast, from the aggressive front end, to the hotel suite interior, to the tech, features, and custom engineering that put this in a class of its own. The first time you see this monster, you don't just look at it, you feel it. Towering over ordinary vehicles, the motorhome sits on a Kenworth truck chassis, a platform known for long-haul endurance and raw American muscle. But instead of pulling freight, this giant is pulling attention everywhere it goes. The front fascia commands presence. A glossy black finish glistens in the sun, accented by aggressive golden-orange flame graphics that scream power and luxury. The massive chrome grille proudly displays the Kenworth badge, while LED headlights, shaped like robotic eyes, pierce through the front with futuristic sharpness. Triple rear axles not only enhance load distribution, but amplify the sheer scale of this machine. You're not just driving a motorhome, you're piloting a land yacht built for royalty. Every inch of this vehicle's exterior has been carefully crafted. It's not boxy or outdated like typical RVs. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and almost spaceship-like in profile. Curved body lines run from nose to tail, giving it the kind of visual flow you'd expect from a luxury yacht or a concept car, not a 40-foot motorhome. Chrome wheels shimmer beneath extended fenders. Roof-mounted